Jillian Michaels Fit Burn Gummies? Nope. What you're looking at is a scam. This is something I'm going to cover in this video here, talk all about what I know. There has been a scam going around for quite a while that claims that Jillian Michaels has something to do with gummies or a gelatin recipe or a product now called Fit Burn Gummies, and it's not true. This is a sort of scam that will go around in Facebook, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, whatever it may be. Those will then lead to a website like this pretending to be the Today Show, but it's not today.com. It is a scam website pretending to be today.com. And Jillian Michaels has nothing to do with a gelatin recipe. There is no gelatin recipe for weight loss. The gelatin recipe is a marketing strategy that scammers, likely in Brazil, came up with in order to defraud people. That's all this is. I'm not saying Fit Burn is a scam, but I will say this: it's not going to have miracle properties to help you dramatically lose weight in the most amazing way you could ever think of. That is what the scam marketing says. I'm going to cover the scam marketing of this Jillian Michaels Fit Burn. She has nothing to do with a weight loss supplement or anything. And what they've done with her is manipulate her lip movement, her audio, meaning when she speaks, to make it look and sound like she's talking about these sorts of things when she's not. They use AI to manipulate lip movement and vocals. So let's take a look at the video I saw here. It's claiming this is like on, I guess, her Instagram page, but it's not Instagram. It's supposedly Today Show and then an Instagram post, I guess is what they want you to think it is, but it's not. And so let's hit play on this right now. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. This is a scam.
I would say that 97% of all these gelatin recipes are a sham.
Unquestionably.
Then why should I believe that yours actually works?
So you're telling me that all the recipes I tried were taught incorrectly on purpose just to take my money? Is that it? Look, let me show you something very simple, because this is exactly where most people are getting it wrong. I'm going to show you why the gelatin recipe, when done the right way, is so powerful. This container represents your body. And this right here is stored body fat. Now pay very close attention.
This is an AI-generated representation of Jillian Michaels, not just a deep fake. Her entire body is fake when they keep showing the long shot of her, the full shot. So don't believe that this is real. It is not. Let's continue watching now.
See what happens. See that? Almost nothing. The fat doesn't move. That's exactly what's happening inside your body. You follow the wrong gelatin recipe, your body doesn't respond. It keeps storing fat.
There is no gelatin recipe. That entire video of the people sitting in the supposed audience is fake and created with AI. That's what that is. Let's watch more now.
And that's why it works. The fat starts breaking down, becoming more liquid. See the difference? That's what happens when your body activates the right signals. The same pathways responsible for turning fat into energy, like GLP-1 and GIP. So, understand this clearly. It's not that the gelatin recipe doesn't work. It's that most people have been doing it wrong. And
Jillian Michaels has nothing to do with Fit Burn or a gelatin recipe. And this here looks like it actually is a deep fake with AI-generated audio. So it switched from a fully AI Jillian Michaels to a deep fake. And I can't pause. It won't let me pause.
Right, my first statement is, the gelatin trick is the best weight loss method in the world.
In 3, 2.
I guess she went on Jubilee, but not for this.
I literally tried every gelatin recipe that showed up on my social media and didn't lose a single pound. How do you explain that? Just like you, many women have been sending me messages with this same frustration. What happens is that most of these gelatin recipes are intentionally taught the wrong way, just to lead you into a long video and sell you flour capsules at the end.
That's what this is. This will try to sell you Fit Burn Gummies, and they'll claim that Jillian Michaels had something to do with it, and she never did. Don't believe that there's a gelatin recipe. This will charge you subscription charges, maybe, of hundreds of dollars a month. The money back guarantee won't work. And again, this video on this website won't let me pause. And if I hit refresh, it will go blank. So I have to let it keep playing.
Okay, Jillian, so what are those other ingredients? I recorded a private video revealing exactly how this works and explaining the step-by-step process of the real bariatric gelatin recipe. And how can I access this video? All right, after that conversation, I decided that I needed to help these people.
So the scammers basically are trying to hide this video if you hit refresh so that people like me can't capture it and show it to people people to keep them away from the scam, but I'm capturing it right now. I'm showing it to people, and I'm keeping people away from this scam. Do not fall for any sort of weight loss scam about a gelatin recipe, Jillian Michaels, or Fit Burn Gummies.
Production, you can roll the video now.
Why did eating 1 cube per day of this strange gelatin trick make Serena Williams lose 54 pounds in 90 days?
She didn't do that. And this is now the original video that started running weeks ago. The beginning you saw with Jubilee was a new addition. And so this part of the video I've seen before with other product names and a gelatin recipe promise, which is not real.
In the next few weeks. Seriously, I'll tear up my diploma if this doesn't happen. And since I'm tired of people asking me all day long.
She said, I'll tear up my diploma because it's an AI voice. And I know I'm talking a lot, but again, I can't hit pause.
I lost 77 pounds just by doing a gelatin trick once a day. But it's true. It all started when Serena Williams called me and asked a very strange question.
You are Serena Williams. So that's an AI representation, her mouth movements, her vocals, accidentally saying her own name. Serena Williams has no involvement in this, but the scammers messed up and had Serena Williams talk about herself in the third person as if she called herself.
This simple and honestly delicious gelatin trick every morning, which feels like taking Ozempic daily without any side effects. It became my ritual. Something so ordinary flipped the switch and ripped the obesity out of my body in just a few days, effortlessly.
As Serena said, this is like taking a daily shot of Ozempic without feeling any side effects. And with a huge bonus, you burn fat even faster. I've even received messages from women asking for help. They had to stop using the gelatin trick. After dropping from a size large to a medium in less than 10 days.
Now, I'm very careful when recommending the gelatin trick. My stomach flattened in 10 days, and I had to stop because even my underwear started to fall off. Just a warning to everyone who follows me. Use with awareness.
Katy Perry has no involvement. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed Fit Burn Gummies or a gelatin recipe. These products, the recipe, there is no recipe, cannot help you lose weight. The scammers are trying to defraud you. That's what's happening here.
Your gut triggers something magical. An immediate release of 2 satiety hormones that have been dormant in your body. The same ones that are replicated synthetically and dangerously by medications like Ozempic and Mounjaro. Your appetite plummets, your body believes it's full, and it begins burning stored fat from your belly, arms, and thighs 24 hours a day, even while you sleep. It's like tricking your metabolism into doing exactly what you want. Simple, natural, and it works on the very first day with just 1 cube per day. You might need to replace your entire wardrobe in a week. And now this trick is leaving the celebrity.
Those 3 women are all AI.
Helped more than 114,000 men and women between the ages of 25 and 80 from the United States to Canada activate an automatic fat burn of up to 20 pounds every 15 days without changing a single second of their routine.
It's been 10 days since I started doing my gelatin trick every morning, and I've already lost 20
AI,
pounds.
AI.
I don't know how you discovered this, Jillian, but it's a miracle.
I'm in shock. I lost 30
AI
pounds
and
in
AI.
5 days with just gelatin and 3 more ingredients.
And she has a deepfake AI depiction of herself.
You're wasting time.
If you've seen me on TV or on podcasts, you know I
Those look so fake.
Where I don't waste time treating symptoms.
She's been on podcasts, but you could tell the mouth movement looked robotic.
Create some of the most impossible natural weight loss cases ever documented by science. Cases that even became headlines in the media, like the famous story of Dr. Oz and singer Kelly Clarkson.
It seems like a miracle, but Jillian made me realize it's real. With just a few of these ingredients, I did the morning gelatin trick. And
So scammers, did you mean to go to Kelly Clarkson there and not right after this
I
woman?
was already ashamed to go on stage. And doing the gelatin trick from expert Jillian every morning not only made me lose 40 pounds in 38 days, but it brought back the glow I had lost.
I take my hat off to you, Jillian. I've never seen anything work so well for weight loss after 50 as this gelatin trick. Losing 2 pounds per day is simply insane.
Did these women have to go to the gym? Did they have to give up?
Okay, so now we can kind of like turn the volume down, and I don't think we need to watch anymore. So the Dr. Oz video kind of looked like it was maybe a completely AI generated video. I couldn't really tell. And the Kelly Clarkson one was a deep fake, and it didn't look real at all. It was pretty fake. But these sorts of things can fool people. And there are lots of different product names, not just Fit Burn Gummies, going around with this same Jillian Michaels video. And Jillian Michaels has nothing to do with a gelatin recipe, a weight loss plan having to do with supplements or anything like that. She's all about fitness. I mean, I think everybody knows that. And dieting and eating right, it doesn't make any sense that she'd get involved in something like this because she didn't. Serena Williams has nothing to do with it. Oprah Winfrey, no. Like Fit Burn Gummies is a sort of product that you will not find the information about who actually truly owns the product or started the brand, if it is a brand, or anything like that. All that's secret. Where do they bottle it? That's a secret. Who are the staff? Where are the Christmas party photos from last year? Anything like that. You're not going to find that because it's not like it's a real kind of a company trying to get out there and look legitimate with TV interviews, blog interviews, press, whatever. This is something where there are lots of product names. Scammers cycle through them over and over. New names all the time to dominate search results. And so my video hopefully is going to place prominently, which, by the way, if you run a scam busting YouTube channel or a scam busting website and you're using my content to create your own content, please do give credit. Often I see videos or whatever go up right after mine, and it's an obscure thing sometimes, and they don't give credit, which says a lot. But, come on, give journalistic credit. This is something that you don't need to trust. I am not part of big pharma or pharmaceutical companies. I'm not saying anything good about them. I am, however, telling you that this is part of a scam that is trying to defraud you, coming from Brazil, where they want to take as much money from you as they can and remain in hiding, hoping that they never get caught. And I will tell you this, Clint Eastwood twice actually, had his image and likeness used for CBD scams. In 2021, he won millions of dollars based upon a lawsuit having to do with alleged Lithuanian scammers, all the way in Lithuania. And then in LA, Los Angeles, in 2022, another lawsuit, he won millions of dollars yet again. And so it doesn't matter where you are, I guess. Clint Eastwood's attorneys can find you. And so I hope that the people who are behind these sorts of scams are brought to justice one day. Because I bet the people in Lithuania never thought the day would come that their, Clint Eastwood's attorneys would find them, prosecute, and then win. And so let's hope that that happens one day, and that the people who are behind these sorts of scams, especially the people behind Alzheimer's and dementia cures, which aren't actually real, which the same sort of videos, same sorts of products, that those people are found too. Because it's terrible what's happening these days. And the social media companies, Facebook, Instagram, meaning Meta, or TikTok, or whoever, accept money from fraudsters, the criminals, the scammers, whatever it may be, to allow their advertising. And that ad is what basically allows the scam to thrive. Without that ad, no one would know the scam is even out there, right? And so that says a lot about where big tech is these days, in that they can get away with whatever they want and they can claim in PR statements, we are very serious about scams. No, you're not. You're simply not. And I can tell because I look at this all the time. I've seen thousands and thousands of different scam ads, maybe even more than 100,000, because I look at this stuff all the time. These things are out there in force. Don't believe them. Don't trust them. Shame on tech companies and the people who work for them, who know that they're doing this and know that they're just collecting money based upon scam ads. Go look up a Reuters article, by the way, from, I believe, late last year, 2025, maybe early 2026, talking about scam ads and Meta. You'll be very interested to find that. So like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. Jillian Michaels has nothing to do with Fit Burn Gummies. Fit Burn Gummies has no miracle properties. All of this is scammy as hell. Do not believe in it. There is no gelatin trick. Thank you for watching.